Hi everyone, I'm Nathaniel. I'm one of the co-founders of Greenwood Labs, and this is the first of 3 tutorials covering loan management on Greenwood V2. Today, we'll focus on repaying outstanding cryptocurrency loans. So let's get started. For this demo, we'll be using the Coven deployment of Greenwood V2, which you can find at coven.greenwood.finance. It's important to note that Greenwood V2 is currently unaudited, so please exercise caution if you decide to use our mainnet deployment. First, you're going to need to connect to a wallet on the proper network. Now that we're connected, we can see that our outstanding loans are loaded to the interface and ready to be managed. So let's click the My Loans button. The My Loans view has all of the information you need to manage your outstanding loans. On the left side, we can see the loan details section, which contains the loan number, the outstanding balance, collateral locked, the current collateralization ratio, and the lending protocol that each loan is held with. You can toggle between your open loans by clicking on the loan cards on the right side of the interface. Just below loan details are the loan management radio buttons, which you can use to repay your loan, deposit more collateral, or withdraw collateral from your outstanding loan. We'll focus on repay for now. You can use the field below to enter a custom repayment amount, or click the max button to fully repay your loan. Now let's click the blue repay button. Because this is our first time spending REN, we'll need to do a token approval. Now that the approval is complete, we can execute the loan repayment. As we can see from the toast on the left side of the screen, the transaction is pending. And we know that the transaction has been successful when the status complete toast appears, the corresponding loan card goes away, and our My Loans figure decreases by 1. And that's it. We have successfully repaid our cryptocurrency loan using Greenwood. Next, we'll take a look at depositing collateral.